In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OmeTv app sound problem. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings of your phone and then simply go to your OmeTv app. So on iPhone, you're gonna have to go to General, then iPhone Storage, and then simply scroll down and tap on Show All next to the apps and scroll down until you find it. Now from here you're gonna have to tap on offload app and then reinstall app. So basically this will clear the cache files and should fix the sound problem. Now you can also try to basically restart the phone, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.